going to show you guys how I got this cute little Harley Quinn hairdo for about $6. Yeah, clearly I was feeling this look. So here I am with my basic ponytails. And I'm just gonna put them into 2 regular pigtails. I had to do a voiceover for this one because I was actually getting ready for my son's first birthday party, which was Batman themed. And him and his daddy were having a grand old time watching Sesame Street behind the door. So it was a little distracting. But anyway, I'm just gonna do 2 high ponytails and just use a regular elastic hair tie on each side with my regular hair. Just want to make sure you brush it really smooth. I didn't have the little bang pieces out because, as you can see, the ends of my hair are blondish brown and it wasn't really gonna go well. I did get some black hairspray color. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna slick it down a little more because it was a little fuzzy. Good old Eco Styler gel. And now I'm just gonna braid my ponytails. And a little bit of the blonde I feel like was showing through because the roots of the hair that I'm using is black. So we're just gonna cover that afterwards. But just doing a regular braid all the way down on both sides. I know this is a really good look for me right now. And then once I finish braiding them down, I'm gonna twist them around the elastics so they're gonna be like little buns. And then just tie that in place with another hair tie. I probably used about 6 hair ties per ponytail just to get this look, but it was worth it for what it was. Oh yeah, this is the black hairspray I got. It's like that like Halloween hair color. I don't know who would want black highlights, but I was just trying to cover up my blonde. And the roots. Brown, blonde, whatever. And then just like make sure that all matches. I went a little overboard on this hairspray, but you know, your baby only turns 1 once, you gotta make it work. Oh, so this is the hair that I used. It's like regular braiding hair. It was so inexpensive. And I'm just gonna take it out. It usually comes with like a little elastic rubber band in the middle, but this one didn't for some reason, so I'm just gonna have to work with this hair tie and just make sure I get that even and put it through one side like that through the middle and just make sure it's all even, and then you twist it around once and then feed it through so that it gets that little knot on there. And then you just pop that on top of your bun, put it over to the front, and then cover your bun with the ponytail hair. Voila! You got yourself a half of Harley Quinn. And I'm just gonna grab some of the hair from underneath and wrap it around the ponytail just to give it a little more structure and security. So it holds and covers the bun really well. But the hair is so full and thick that it's just gonna cover everything. And I paid about $2.50 per pack of hair, so this cost me like nothing. And I got some scrunchies at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna try to make that cover the hair that I use so it looks like it's holding the ponytail together. Hey, halfway there. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the blue hair. This one actually comes with the rubber band that the hair usually has, so I'm just gonna use that rubber band, and it's a little loose, so I'm just gonna tie that around my bun again. And then do the same flip over method. Put it over to the top and then just cover my bun. Grab the hair from underneath and wrap it around. for a little more structure and security. And because the hair is blue at the end, it actually looks really pretty and it looks kind of like a hair tie. So we're just gonna keep wrapping and just detangle this ponytail. Oh my god, it's just coming together already. I don't even have my face on and I'm just like a whole jester. So I have some more blue scrunchies that I kind of tried to do the same thing I did with the red scrunchies, but I think they fell through. But it gets the job done. It's doing what it's supposed to for some $6 ponytail hair. I actually had to go pick up his cake with my hair looking like this and my full makeup on, but I didn't care. I thought this was such a cute look. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.